In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GCash service temporarily unavailable. If you keep seeing that message when you open the app or try to log in, don't worry. I'll walk you through a quick cleanup on your Android device and show you how to check for app updates. These steps help resolve most app-side glitches and make sure GCash has what it needs to run smoothly. First, open your phone's settings. Depending on your device, this may look a little different, but you're looking for the section that manages your apps. Tap on Apps or Applications to see the full list installed on your device. Scroll until you find GCash, then tap it to open the app info page. Next, go into Storage. Here, you'll see options like Clear Data and Clear Cache. Tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can cause loading issues without deleting your account information or transaction history. Avoid clearing data unless you're specifically troubleshooting something else, because that resets the app completely and may require you to log in from scratch. Now go back to the app info screen and tap Permissions. Make sure everything the app needs is allowed. Turn on all relevant permissions so GCash can verify your device, read necessary information, and send codes if required. Granting the requested permissions helps prevent errors that occur when the app can't access your phone's essential services. Once that's set, head to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type GCash and open the app's page. If you see an Update button, tap it to install the latest version. Updates often include stability fixes and improvements that address exactly this kind of error. Wait for the update to finish, then return to GCash and try logging in again. If you've cleared the cache, allowed permissions, and updated the app but still see service temporarily unavailable, the issue might not be on your device. According to GCash support, some services become unavailable during maintenance or when there are technical issues on their end. In that case, the best thing to do is wait and try again a little later. These outages are usually resolved by their team, and once services are restored, you should be able to log in and use your account as normal. That's it. By refreshing the app's cache, enabling required permissions, and updating to the latest version, you've covered the essential fixes on your side. And if the problem persists, it's likely temporary and will clear once maintenance is complete. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get GCash running again without the error.